Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Tell Media Park Culture Cuisine Travel. So friends, today we are going to Athirapally Waterfalls, very renowned waterfalls. Athirapally Waterfalls is located on the edge of Solayar Forest Range in Thrissur district. One could witness water crushing down into the Chalakudi River at a height of over 80 feet. Athirapally is also home to exotic fauna, and it's rich in bird life, and rare species like the hornbill can be found here. Athirapally Waterfalls is Kerala's most famous and largest waterfall. If you're visiting Kerala, this should be on your bucket list. So friends, after seeing the waterfalls, the beautiful waterfalls, now we are entering Casa Rio Resort. That is very close to the waterfalls, and it's a beautiful place, a beautiful resort. So we are gonna check in to the resort now. The staff here is really friendly, and they brought us welcome drink. It was very refreshing. So friends, we just got into our room and look at that view, amazing view that we have, from our room. The rooms are very comfortable, and it's a really nice resort. The ambience outside is beautiful. You can see the water flowing in the river from the waterfall that you can see in the background there. It's breathtaking. The view is breathtaking. So after checking in, we went to check out breakfast spread. Everything was well organized. Bird watching is another activity that is there in the resort. The backside of the resort is the river, and after the river is the forest areas where we can see the wild animals coming in, especially elephants coming in to drink water from the forest river. It's an amazing location in midst of the green forest and the waterfalls, Athirapally Waterfalls. The garden and the trees are very well set, and it looks like a rainforest. It feels like the experience of a rainforest right inside the resort. Hi friends, so we are right now in Casa Rio, Athirapally. Beautiful property. We just checked in a couple of hours back, and we are very delighted to meet Chef Jinto. And Chef Jinto, special thanks to you. And he's going to prepare a special delicacy of Casa Rio, a special delicacy dish. So let's check out the dish, and let's go straight into it. So friends, chef is gonna prepare an amazing delicacy for us, so we can see the preparation, how he makes the dish. So at first he's gonna marinate the fish with a little bit of turmeric, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, and a little bit of coconut oil, all mixed and combined together to marinate the fish, the fresh kingfish. It's a sea fish. It's a very tasty fish, and the chef has marinated the fish. So after marinating the fish, the chef is going to grill the fish in the pan with a little bit of coconut oil. So there's another masala mix that he's preparing. He has taken fried onions, chili powder, turmeric, a little bit of salt, and he mixed a little bit of water and is grinded down to a paste to make the curry base. In a small tawa, he has put the banana leaf and the curry paste he has just prepared. To the curry paste, he has added the creamy coconut milk and some shallots and curry leaves. So he's gonna mix it all, combine it well together to form a thick curry paste. He has added the grilled fish into the curry, and he's gonna add more coconut milk so that the fish is submerged in the curry and is left to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So the chef has prepared the beautiful kingfish curry in the beautiful coconut cream curry. And it is paired with tapioca or cassava, and it is also a local delicacy as well. So let's taste the dish and see how it is. Yum, yum. Really tasty. The coconut flavor and all the flavors that chef has put together is really awesome. I highly recommend this place. Do come here and visit and have a good time spending here. So really tasty dish. Thank you, chef, for this dish, and thank you for preparing it for us. Really yum. So friends, we spent the night there, and early morning it was an amazing vibe, and it was a beautiful morning. So friends, we are checking out of Casa Rio. We experienced the hospitality and the friendliness of the staff here and had an amazing time here. And we got to immerse in the beauty of the forest and the Athirapally Waterfalls and the river flowing by. Amazing experience overall, wonderful stay. Hope you guys stay tuned to our channel, Culture Cuisine Travel, Tell Media Park.